Hi Scorpio, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. For the month of March, it's a mid month reading. So let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Scorpio, the card at the bottom of the deck is Five of Wands. Okay. The overall energies here that I'm getting is Scorpio that you are feeling a little nostalgic when it comes to somebody from your past. You might feel a little caught up in their feelings. This could have been somebody who is a little immature. There could be an age difference between the two of you, Scorpio, but you are facing an issue with letting them go, Scorpio, and you are trying everything in your power to just let go of them, but I don't see that happening, Scorpio. This is somebody from your past, somebody who you've dated, had a relationship with. Probably you were engaged to them, even married them, and now you're not together. Scorpio, for some of you, I'm getting that you are facing a lot of issue when it comes to seeing how successful this person has become. Even though whatever happened between the two of you see them being really independent and prosperous, and you see them growing in their life, glowing in general. It could be you also, but for I don't know, these cards are trying to tell me that this is the energies of the other person, the person that you're thinking about, Scorpio. They brought in some kind of balance into your life. You miss them, and to let go of this person, you're trying your best to not talk to them, or just fill that void with other people so that you don't have to deal with their memories, but you're addicted to this person. I can see the placement of this. There's a lot of turmoil in your head. If you're dealing with a legal battle, Scorpio, don't worry, the verdict will be in your favor. It could be a Libra person that you're dealing with, a Sagittarian person, definitely a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Could be another Scorpio who might have the sign Scorpio in one of their placements, um, not their sun or moon, but a, one of the placements, either rising or Venus or some other placement. But definitely they do have Scorpio in their chart as well. Okay. Scorpio, you've got the Page of Pentacles twice. This person, whoever you're thinking about, there was, at one point in time, there was a chance of a new beginning with them, but now no more. They've matured, they feel they know what they want, and they're not coming back. They were confused for the longest time, but now they're moving on. Scorpio, and that is what's driving you a little insane. This is only for some of you because this is a general reading. It may not be for any one of you. So just take it however it resonates. If it doesn't resonate, you can just switch the video off here, right now. Yup. Scorpio, this person has finally made a decision and they have moved on. Even though there was no relationship, there was no contact with them, there was still some kind of hope, but I think it's too late and it's fine, I guess. There's a part of you that's gotten over it, but there's also a part of you that's stuck to this whole situation, this person. For some of you, you still love this person. Numbers 2, 6, 5, 11 could be important. Let's see some extra messages for you. 8 and 2 are also important, yes. These messages may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Ask for help from others. Your friends probably. If you have any mutual friends and you want to get over this person, you can talk to them, ask them how to, just deal with this whole thing. Because I'm getting these feelings that you are not up to, you are feeling this addiction. But okay, don't rush into action right now. Bide your time for better results. Don't take any impulsive decisions, Scorpio. You might regret them. Perspective. None of this matters. Zoom out and come to a common ground. If things don't work out in your favor and the way you thought they would, Scorpio, there's no point crying over spilt milk. Take whatever you have and make do with that or grow it. But if there is somebody that you're addicted to, you love them, or you haven't been able to get over them, don't take any erratic, impulsive decisions in order to get over them. Because you clearly aren't over them. So, it's not going to happen. Scorpio, when there's a wound that you're dealing with, let it heal at its own pace, in its own way. Having tons of medicines to suppress the pain or hasten the healing won't help. Amplify your positive emotions, spend time in nature, spend time doing things that you love, being with people that you love. It'll help you. Number 7 could be important. Take time to breathe out, a time to give rather than take, a time for healing. Prosperity lies ahead and don't let your past hold you back. Yes, Scorpio, please. The moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. Scorpio, I'd like to dedicate this beautiful rose quartz crystal to you so that your heart is filled with the love that you truly deserve. This was an amazing reading, Scorpio. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.